Hello, I'm Dr Sarbjit Singh, and today I shall show you how to instill eye drops into the eye the correct way. To instill eye drops, first make sure they are the correct drops. It is a good idea to write on the bottle the date when you open a new bottle. If it is a month or more old, it is recommended to discard the bottle and open a new one. Check the expiry date if all is well, and if the bottle is unopened, usually tightening the cap like this should open the hole in the nozzle. Then you hold the bottle like this from the cap end and twist the bottle and it should open. This way we prevent the eye drops from getting contaminated. If you need to instill the drops in the left eye, tilt your head a bit to the left. If it is the right eye, tilt it slightly to the right. Keep in mind that you must never tilt your head the other way, as the drops may then go in towards the nose and into the nose. That can give you a bad taste in the mouth, and more importantly, it can get absorbed and cause side effects. Then pull the lower lid down and deposit a drop in the pocket thus made. Keep eyes closed just for about 10 to 20 seconds. In the meantime, you can wipe your cheeks of any drops that might have spilled or flowed down on them. Hope you found the video useful and helpful. If you like the video, please do click on the like button, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you very much. Till next time, cheers.